fun. One word. CFMOTO are miles ahead as far as quality and anything else we've ever seen out of China. Just a red hot go from CFMOTO of breaking into the market in the mid-sized bikes. Skeptical, I think I was, and it's all gone. Out here, we're in such a quiet spot. I had ample opportunity to get right up there, and it just loves it. These roads out in the Redlands in the backblocks here are just quiet as a mouse. So yeah, the best way of bringing the fun out of it, I think, on a Saturday morning. At under $9,500, it's just unbelievable. End of story. If there's nothing else on the market that would give this sort of a buzz and for that value. And first appearances, it does look small to the eye, but once you're on the bike, it's a bit old school in the fact that you actually sit in the bike. Whereas a lot of these scrambler-esque type bikes these days are planks. Basically, you're sitting on them. As soon as you sit on the thing, you just feel so comfortable. It's a very neutral seating position, and it gives you confidence straight away. And I can imagine people buying their first decent sized bike and coming off their lambs. And it's one of those bikes that would suit a lot of people. The confidence inspiring nature of the bike, the way it handles, it's just spot on. At the end of the day, total surprise package. Obviously, like I said, I was skeptical, but the first thing that you notice is the build quality. What Japanese bike or European bike of this genre would have brushed aluminium on the side of the tank? It'd be plastic. It just, everywhere you look on this thing, it's quality. You can tell that CFMOTO are actually having a real red hot go here. And it's not just the aesthetics, they're putting quality parts into it. We've got KYB suspension. It's pretty much the same suspension as the Ducati 800 Icon uses. It's exactly the same rear suspension as the Ducati Icon. It uses the same tyres as the Ducati Icon. At 150 mil, it's got more suspension travel than MT-07, the XSR 700 Yamaha, and anything else that's really in its genre. And I think the only bike that does come close to it is the Ducati 800 Scrambler. 320 mil single disc on the front. First thoughts are single disc. Well, no, it's brilliant. Obviously with ABS, but it really pulls you up. I mean, the bike just handles so well with the combination of the suspension and the Pirelli tyres. These Pirelli tyres are phenomenal for this priced bike. I mean, I ride a very prominent Japanese brand, and I didn't get quality tyres. The engine is tried and true. It's been around for over 10 years now. It's a great little engine. In the 650 it was in this it's a stroked version of the 650 engine, but it really gets up and goes. It's just fun. And the exhaust note, how is the exhaust, by the way? It's a bit of art, really. Look at it, you know, this super trappy looking thing, but it's, you know, J1 calipers, it's all quality stuff. It really delivers the goods for a little 700. It delivers the goods that well that it's actually on par, or if not better, than an XSR 700 Yamaha, an MT-07 Yamaha, and any other 650 that you could think of, and actually is a better thing and delivers more torque and more power than the 800 Icon. So where can you go wrong for $9,400 and what, $90 or $60? You know, it's under $9.5 grand, and it's just quality. So as far as I'm concerned, if this was the sort of thing I was after, I'd be on one tomorrow. That's it, Les. That's all I've got.